I just kind of whipped these pedals together. Just got a hinge on the bottom of it and pushes a rod down through the floor. This is the brake pedal, and then the gas pedal is over here. And I don't know, I don't really like how they turned out, so I got a little different idea in mind that I'm going to try. So I've started stripping it down a little bit. I've got the transaxle piece out of it, working on it. I've started disassembling some of the front end. I've remade some pedal assemblies that will look better once they're painted. And getting ready to take this front end off, probably pull the motor out, get the body off of it, and start prepping it to put stuff back on it.
You ready? Gee, mister, you're really strong.
Alright, let's see if we can flip it over. Keep going. Okay.
Cool.
As you can see, I have the body primed and filled and ready for its coat of paint inside and out. And then I'm kind of excited about this. I got all the frame painted. And I went with gloss paint on it this time. I think that'll be a little bit more durable. But you're not going to see most of this anyway, once everything else is on there. But gonna be glad to get paint on that and see what it looks like. I got the motor all pressure washed. Got a coat of heat paint on it, you know, where it needs to be on there. Everything else will be covered up with the covers, and I'll paint the covers, make them look real pretty. That'll be one of the first things I'll put back on. Well, this is giving you a look at the color. It's a copper color. Got the final coat on there. I still got some kind of imperfections and stuff in it, you can see. I didn't spend probably as much time as I should have on sanding and priming and all that kind of stuff. But it's coming along. I'll take you inside and show you progress in there. I got the motor pieces sitting here drying. Went with the dark red burgundy color. And then I've started putting stuff back together on here. Got the transmission in, and I've started doing some of these pieces back here. Not a lot more done on it. Getting ready to put the exhaust on there. The motor pieces when they get dry, and then I'll probably set the body on there next. So I got lots of stuff happening in the shop. I got parts laying everywhere that have been painted. They're drying. I got body panels up there with filler on them. They got to be sanded, primed, painted. There's the exhaust ready to go on. And I did a little something I think looks pretty cool. On this filter, this plate would have typically been upside down. And then this dome here would have been over top of all that. Well, I thought it looked cool and vintage, turning that plate over, painting it, just leaving it exposed like that. But the panels on the motor look really good, I think, in that dark red color. I think that was a good decision. So moving right along, gonna be working on that thing pretty soon. Got all the finish welding done on it, so I gotta get it resanded and repainted. mini hot rod looks a little bit different. Still not done with it. I have a lot of little final touches to do on it. But let me grab the camera and we'll do a little walk around. So I love how the copper with the silver wheels ended up on the front wheels. Got the front end and the lights on there. I like the red on the motor. The exhaust, back panels, repainted the wheels. Got a little work to do back here. Have to build all these body pieces. My trunk lid to go on there. And making my way around on to the other side. I like the copper color. And I've got this wheel off on this side so you can see all the front end pieces. Guys, I think that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and keep watching for probably the final build video on this mini hot rod coming up within the next couple of weeks. Show you all the little finishing touches that I'm doing on it. So thanks for watching Kevin's Creations.